Well, it's a very interesting indication since there's a huge medical need and the current treatments are inadequate. We're starting with the first indication, which is oral mucositis, which is a consequence of cancer therapy. And here we have more than 400,000 patients in the US only, and there's great need today. They're basically using products that are compounded with the pharmacy at the hospital and provide up to 30 minutes pain relief. The product that we're targeting now provides up to 3 hours of pain relief, and that will make a huge difference to patients. So we see this as a huge market, and the potential of this product is between $50 and $100 million, including both oral mucositis and potentially one additional indication. Well, we already have certain phase 2 data. There is strong data both on gastroscopy patients and in oral mucositis patients. What we would like to do now is to add, with full documentation, a phase 2 study with about 40 subjects, and we're submitting the application within the next few weeks and plan to conduct the study during the second half of this year. So it's around year end we'll have the data from the study. Well, we're investigating now an opportunity to bring the product to the market already before regulatory approval as an unlicensed drug or a product for compassionate use. So we're started to discuss with potential partners that can do this in Europe, and we'll explore this in the US as well. We would like to have solid phase 2 data before we do that, so that could be as early as next year. When it comes to the development and regulatory program, that will continue. So there will be a phase 3 study, and the regulatory advice we got so far says that it should be sufficient with up to 100 patients. It's a very limited phase 3 program before registration. Well, it's financed by current cash. First of all, the deal structure is such that the upfront payment was very limited. It was 1 million Swedish kronor upfront. And also the phase 2, the cost for the phase 2 study is also very limited. We estimate that to be approximately 2 million Swedish kronor. So it's funded by existing cash in the company. Well, in addition to oral mucositis, we also see larger indication areas. There are syndromes like burning mouth syndrome and Sjögren's syndrome, where you have a pretty high prevalence of patients that get severe burning pain in their mouth. So those are obvious ones that we could go after oral mucositis. We also see procedures like gastroscopy and also certain dental procedures where up to 3 hours pain relief in this lozenge formulation would be very useful. Long term, we could also develop this into an OTC product at a lower dosage strength. And then that's obviously a huge market. It would be for throat and mouth pain in connection to common cold. So that would be a very large indication long term.